Welcome back to CEO School, where I help you to thrive with a fun and flexible business you love. So in today's video, I'm talking to you about what you'll get in Module 5, which is called Building Your Fan Base. So it doesn't matter how long you've been in business for. Without a fan base, otherwise known as your customers, you're not going to get very far. And like most fans, they want to hear from you on a regular and consistent basis. Now, we both know that this takes time. Time you probably think that you don't have, but trust me when I say that nurturing your fan base is still one of the biggest ways to increase your sales. And I do have some really good time hacks, some tips and tricks to share with you in this module that will really help with this. So we're going to work through strategies for growing your fan base, for working with influencers, and together we will create a personal growth plan specifically for your creative business. So you're going to understand how to use really simple techniques and analytics for your fan base insight so that you can develop content that it compels your audience and it will help you to build a loyal fan base, but without getting information overload. Now, your email list, I think, is probably your single most important thing that you have as a creative business owner. It trumps social media every step of the way. Why? Because you own your email list. You don't own the social media platforms. This is something I see so many creative business owners forget. So ask yourself the question, what would you do if Instagram decided to call it quits tomorrow? What would happen to your 15,000 followers? I'll tell you what would happen. They would disappear in a puff of smoke. However, if you've spent time nurturing them in your email list, then they'll always be there waiting for you. So, are you ready to use some serious business success? I hope so, because this module is going to give you the strategies you need to take your business all the way to the top.